Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I was going to be unboxing my design team project from Chic, and this is the most recent one that she's come out with. It's called Anchored, and it is like a seaside beach theme, and it looks super cute. Just looking through the bag right now, everything is just packaged so beautifully, and I just love the sheer bag here in the blue. There is this trim here that looks like a net, some really beautiful tropical paper or beach paper, really fun graphics here on the card. This is the little letter that she always writes in each month, and it's just, she just tells about the month, and it's just, I don't know, I love it. And I always use that when I always try and incorporate that page into the book. And so let me open the book here. She's got some really cute washi tape that has seahorses on it. That's super cute. And oh, this is really beautiful. I love it. So it has a wood paper cover, and then she added some fabric here on the top, and that looks like a stamp. I haven't watched her video. I still need to do that of when she revealed this, but that is an awesome little image there of a girl on the beach, and she applied that to some paper, and then on top of it looks like cheesecloth, and then she has burlap under there as well, and then the anchored little title there. She used twine or jute to tie up. I love that. And then some beautiful seam binding there. And if you haven't seen one of her kits, she makes the covers and then puts together the books with just a bunch of plain different kinds of papers, some book pages, some tea and coffee stained papers, graph paper, lined papers, glassine or paper bags in it, but everything is plain, and it's meant to be decorated with the ephemera pack. So here is the book. Let's see, it has, oh, this is awesome. It has a vintage book page from a book called The Submarine. That's really neat. Love that. And then here's all the different, there's a music sheet. Here is a note page that has one of the navigation boat thing. I don't even know what that's called. I'm not a sailor, you can tell. Just different kinds of papers. So I love that. And then another book page. This one, the same book, The Submarine. Book of the Seven Seas. That's cool. So there's the book, and then here is the ephemera kit. And this is awesome because I just bought I bought a hot buy from Michaels, and I'm not sure if it is a newer one or it could have been an older one, but it is the boat nautical sort of theme, and it's in the navy blue colorway, so I can totally use that with this, or even make additional, you know, just combine it, whatever. So that'll be cool. So here's that cool netting trim, and then here is, sorry about that noise, it's a airplane. All right, had to pause it there for a second. It was loud. So here is the little charm dangle that she makes for the bookmark. It's really pretty. I love the colors of the stones, the stone beads. So that was in that bag. And then in this cute little sheer bag, there is a baggie full of goodies. different charms and embellishments to put on the pages or to make additional charm dangles. There is a little piece of cheesecloth. Oh, it has something inside of it. Let's see what this is. Put this down here. There's something wrapped. Oh, it's a little tiny glass bottle. Isn't that cute? I love that. And oh man, Lynette, you wrapped all these up. Wow, that's awesome though. All right, I'm gonna stick that back in there so that doesn't get damaged. Okay, there's a lot of really cool little goodies in here. There's a couple charms, little seashell charms. And then there's a bunch of little tiles. These are adorable. Itty bitty, the itty bittiest little tiles. So cute. And then there are some bingo markers, just different ones from vintage bingo games. Oh, and here's the little cork that goes in that bottle. Okay, so now I need to go and put the cork in the bottle. This is so cute. Adorable. Look at that. So adorable. Okay, and then here's this, I don't know, it kind of looks like cork or wood little piece that you could make like a little sign and attach it to the top of a page. And then in this little glassine bag, there's a tag with an anchor and all the little fibers and yarns in here. Oh, I love that. It's so pretty. I can't wait to get started in this one. This is awesome. And then in this one, there is a vintage card with seagulls on it, and that's awesome. Love that. And a bunch of all the little die cuts and tags that she usually includes, the little punch outs. Here it looks like some cut aparts from the paper collection. She punches out the little squares and hearts. And then there's some style tags and price tags that match along with everything. It looks like a sticker or a name tag or label, whatever. And then here's some green tags. So very cool. Here is a little tiny napkin. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. That's like an American Girl napkin. Oh my gosh. So cute. All right. And then in this one, here is a vintage postcard with some shells and a doily. This really cool striped bag. Here's a little itty bitty envelope and a couple chalkboard labels, a glassine envelope, library card, and the pocket that goes in. And then she stamped this one. This is awesome. I love that, with the lighthouse and the seagull. And then just a plain one. A couple inventory tags. I love that it's the blue and it matches. And then a guest check. Here's another, I guess this is a valet tag. Here's a tag she made with the paper, and then a sales receipt. That's pretty neat. So then here are the book pages that she included in the kit. There are some seashell pages, a note memo pad sheet, and there are 2 square pieces of paper from the collection. Love this. I need to watch her video to find out what this collection was, because I haven't seen it yet. And then here is a window envelope. That's pretty cool. I love the big giant window there. And then here is a piece of wallpaper, a book page from The Little Mermaid, an anchor, a coloring page. That's pretty cool. I think I've used this before. And then here is another book page. Oh, it has flotation device life vests on that side, so that's cool. And then here is a book page of lighthouses, and here is a piece of a map, so that's pretty cool, with a river and it looks like a lake, so that's cool, or a creek. Wow, this is awesome. I love it, Lynette. Can't wait to get started with it, and it looks like you had so much fun trying to put all this together. I love just gathering things for my journals, and this one definitely would have been a fun one to just find all the pieces to put together for the kits. So I love it. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this. I plan on doing a couple videos doing processes of things that I'm doing within the journal, so leave a comment as to what you want to see with this, if you want just page ideas or ephemera ideas or embellishment ideas, things like that. But be sure to subscribe, and you will be notified every time that I come out with a video. So anyway, hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.